So when you're looking at a watch, the first thing to look at is the face or dial. And we always suggest the very first thing you can do is count how many hands it has. This one has 3, but the most we've ever seen on one watch face was 13. Also look at the dots, batons, numbers, or diamonds it might have to show the hours. These are called indices or indexes. Does it have any date windows, like this one, subdials showing other complications, or other things you're unsure of on the front? What's the dial made of? This one has an amazing reflective blue detail pattern on it, which is some kind of paint and has a fantastic effect in different lights. How much writing is there on the front of a dial? This one has the brand, Seiko, an X to say it's a Prospex, automatic, and then the water depth rating. Lots of information in a small space. The next thing to do is turn over the watch and look at the case back. This one has an exhibition case back. It's see-through. You can see the watch movement. It also has writing on the sapphire and writing around the edge, telling me details about the watch. Some watches have plain case backs, and many have engraved case backs. It's always a good place to see what additional detail the watch designer and brand are trying to give you. Then look at the side of the watch, where the crown is that you use to wind it. This is the best place to see the shape of the case, the shape of the lugs where the strap or bracelet connects to the case. And just have a little think, because some cases are square, round, angular, and again, a good place to see additional design from the designer. Now look at the strap or bracelet. This is a fairly straightforward strap from Seiko. It's steel, it does the job, but it's nothing fancy. There's a lot of variety in bracelets, and even more in straps, and it's amazing how much a change in a strap or bracelet can change the watch. Now just return to the center and think, how does this watch make me feel? And what do I like most about this watch? For me, it's absolutely that dial. Also the shape, the simplicity, and its functionality. It's a tough, waterproof watch. And this is how you look at a watch.